After finished install machine, connect with electric power. Check each electric motor's rotation. And first, check big electric motor, and then check small electric motor, like polisher machine, rice mill machine, etc. Adjust big electric motor rotation, about 15 kilowatts electric motor may use the pressure start. Exchange 2-line place can adjust electric motor rotation, total 3-line inside cabinet. Other machine electric motor rotation. Exchange 2-line place can adjust electric motor rotation, 3-line inset cabinet. After adjust all electric motor rotation, let machine run about 20 minutes. Check all machine operate is right. If okay, then check and adjust each machine from A to Q. A. Adjust elevator. Check belt inside elevator. Check belt tightness and check is right at elevator. If belt is slack, can adjust screw at elevator below. Twist 2 screw downward. Reach suit tightness. If belt off tracking, correct belt screw. Reach correct right. Belt tightness degree and off tracking is common problem. Slack belt or rough tracking belt will let machine slip. Then cause penalty block can't work well. All elevator is same adjust. B. Clean and Dustiner machine. Main function is clean impurity and stolen inside body. Clean parts adjust rotary clean screen. Include 2 screen. Above is clean big impurity and below is clean small impurity and dust. After clean, paddy inlet, Dustiner machine. Machine use wind adjust. Clean heavy stone, clod, etc. Cause paddy and stone weight is different. Adjust method, twist draft valve and draft tube value. Reach adjust blast capacity, first adjust valve small, avoid big wind, let paddy blow from draft tube. Cause just when open the screen have no enough paddy, so Dustiner all light have paddy is normal. If work long, still have paddy. Cause wind is small, then adjust Destiner outlet plate or adjust draft fan valve. Increase wind. If draft fan tube outlet have paddy, cause wind is big. Then adjust draft fan valve, decrease wind. See double elevator adjust is same with the elevator. The paddy huller main function is remove paddy surface husk. Adjust. First adjust rubber roller distance inside paddy huller. Remove clutch upward. Let to rubber roller distance is about 0.6 to 0.8 millimeters. Check paddy huller capacity can reach above 85%. If can't reach 85%, cause distance is more big, then turn hand wheel in clockwise. Decrease rubber roller distance. If paddy have more damage or surface is crude, cause rubber distance is small, then need turn hand wheel anti-clockwise. Increase rubber roller distance. After paddy huller, paddy, brown rice and paddy husk mixing will be bram separate. Bram separate main function is remove paddy husk from mixing. Use wind remove paddy husk. When working, if find E separator have more paddy husk, cause wind is small, then increase separator table height. Or adjust draft fan plate. Adjust fan tube valve increase wind. Ensure paddy husk not higher than 0.8%. E separate machine. Main function is separate brown rice and paddy. Adjust when adjust separator machine. Need ensure material is balanced at 5 screen. If find not balance, can adjust table plate. If up part is more material, below part material is less material. Cause screen is flat, can adjust pole or adjust range. Extension pole increase screen grade. Ensure up and below material is balanced. F sound roller rice mill machine function is remove brown rice surface bran. Let brown rice be white rice. Adjust. Adjust press lump. Adjust pressure. Adjust press lump pole about 45-degree angle. When press lamp is down more, pressure is more big and rice is more white. And adjust flow spile. Decrease flow. Or if press lamp up and pressure is small, and adjust flow spile, increase flow. When adjust rice mill machine, also need check ampere meter. Need add rated current basics. No exceed rated current. Cause if exceed rated current, will cause trip, and rice mill will be jam. Age. One more sound rice mill machine function. Increase remove bran precision. Let rice more white. Adjust same with F sand roller rice mill machine. Pay attention, no exceed rated current. J. Polisher machine function. Use water spray increase rice brightness. Let rice surface more bright and beautiful. Adjust. Adjust press lump. Same with F sand roller rice mill machine. Polisher machine adjust water general at 20. If paddy moisture is more, then less water. If paddy moisture is less, then increase water. When adjust no exceed rated current. Also pay attention when use polisher machine is first outline rice and then add water. And when stop polisher machine is first add water and then stop inline material or will be cause material jam. L. Rice grater machine function separate whole rice and broken rice. Remove broken and small rice and let final rice more higher quality. N. Color sorter machine. Use photo technology separate different color rice. Like black rice, yellow rice, stone, impurity, etc. Can reach high quality rice. Q. Packing machine. Use measurable package. Can set 5 kilograms, 10 kilograms, 25 kilograms, 50 kilograms, etc. After package rice into bag, can use conveyor to bag closer. Unfinished package.